In today's video, I will walk you through how to record a Zoom meeting with video and audio. Start by joining a meeting or starting one of your own. Once you're in the meeting, look at the bottom toolbar and find the record button. This is the main control you'll use to capture both the video and audio from your meeting. If you don't see the record button on the toolbar, click the More option. From there, drag the record button down to the bottom toolbar to pin it in place. This makes it easier to access during your meetings, so you won't need to look for it every time you want to start recording. Before you begin recording, click the small upward arrow next to the record button. This opens a menu with additional recording options. From that menu, select Record Settings to open the recording preferences. Once you're in the settings, go to Advanced Settings. Here, look for the option called Record Separate Participant Audio Files. If you want Zoom to create a separate audio file for each person who speaks during the meeting, turn this option on. When this setting is enabled, Zoom will still create your video recording, but it will also save individual audio files for each participant. This gives you separate audio tracks instead of combining everyone's voices into a single file. If you leave this setting turned off, Zoom will still record your meeting. In that case, the audio will be automatically merged with the video, creating one combined recording file. After you've chosen the recording option you prefer, your recording settings are ready. Before you start recording, make sure your microphone and speakers are selected correctly. You can also do a short test call to confirm that everything is set up the way you expect, including checking that the record button is visible on your toolbar. Keep in mind that some recording features can vary depending on your version of Zoom or the permissions provided by the meeting host. Once everything is ready, you can begin recording your meeting with your preferred settings already in place. To quickly review the process, join or start a meeting and locate the record button on the bottom toolbar. If it isn't visible, open the More menu and pin the record button to the toolbar. Next, click the upward arrow beside the record button and open Record Settings. Go to Advanced Settings, then choose whether to enable Record Separate Participant Audio Files. Turn it on if you want individual audio tracks for each participant, or leave it off if you want Zoom to combine all audio with the video into a single recording. After confirming your microphone and speaker selections and making sure the record button is available, you'll be ready to record your Zoom meeting with both video and audio using the recording settings you've selected. Thank you for watching.